Hello students, welcome to class 6 maths chapter 1 knowing our numbers. Using brackets. Students, let us understand rules to how to use brackets. What is BODMAS rule? Students, BODMAS rule decides the order of operations for addition, subtractions, multiply, divide, etc. That means B stands for brackets, which means all the operations contained in the brackets first should be solved. That is, here in this questions, brackets are given. So, all the operations inside the bracket should be solved first and then the operations that is outside the bracket. O stands for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for additions, S for subtractions. Now let us understand how to solve using brackets examples. Consider the given questions. 10 plus 7 multiply 100 plus 9 equals to how much? Now students, first in this question brackets are not there. So it can be solved as like 10 plus 7 multiplied by 100, 700 plus 9, that is equals to 790. And it can be also solved as 10 plus 7, 17, 100 plus 9, 109. 17 multiplied 109 is equals to 1853. Now if we use brackets, it allows us to avoid confusions in the problems where we need to carry out more than one operations. So let us write this example again using brackets. 10 plus 7 in brackets, multiply 100 plus 9 in brackets. Then how much? So what is the rule of using bracket? First turn everything inside the brackets into a single number and then perform the operations outside. So here 10 plus 7, 17 and 100 plus 9, 109 and outside the operation is multiply. So 17 multiply 109 equals to 1853. Roman numerals. Students, what is Roman numerals? The number system invented by Roman is called Roman numerals. Where these Roman numerals are used? Roman numerals are used in clock, for writing class. So let us understand rules of Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, it contains symbols. We should know values of the symbols, how many times it is repeated or it may not repeat it. So let us understand some rules. Let us understand first symbols, values and repetitions. So here I is the symbol, value is 1, it is repeated maximum 3 times, not more than that. V is a symbol, value is 5 and it is not repeated. X is a symbol, value is 10 and it is repeated maximum 3 times. L is a symbol, value is 50 and it is not repeated. C is a symbol, value is 100 and it is repeated maximum 3 times. D is a symbol, value is 500 and it is not repeated. M is a symbol, value is 1000 and it is repeated maximum 3 times, not more than that. Students, let us understand some rules for writing Roman numerals. First rule, if a symbol is repeated, then its value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, if we take I, value of I is 1. So it is repeated 2 times I, 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. C. So value of C is 100. It is repeated 3 times, 100 plus 100 plus 100 and that is 300. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. For example, X is there. It is correct. But D is not correct. Why? Because D is not repeated more than, D is never repeated. Why D is not correct? Because D is never repeated. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. That is what? X is greater, I is smaller. So it is added. 10 plus 1, 11. V is greater, I is smaller. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. That is what? I is smaller, I is 1, that is smaller, x is 10. So we will subtract 10 minus 1, 9. Similarly, we can take bigger value. X is 10, C is 100. So 100 minus 10, that is 90. The symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Students, let us understand Roman numerals with example 73. So for example, if I take 73, then 73, 70 plus 3. So 73, 70 equals to 50 plus 10 plus 10. That is equals to LXX. Why? Because 70 we have split it. And L is 50, X is 10. 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, I plus I plus I. And 73 can be written as LXXIII. Let us take one more example, 92. 92 equals to 90 plus 2. So here 90, if I want to write it in Roman numerals, I have to do 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, that is XC. So here we have followed the rules. The value is written, smaller value is written left side. Now 2 equals to 1 plus 1, that is II. Hence 92 can be written as XCII. So what we have understood about Roman numerals, there are 7 symbols that values should be known. That is I equals to 1, V equals to 5, X equals to 10, L equals to 50, C equals to 100, D equals to 500, M equals to 1000. The rules are the value which is repeated is added that many times. Second rule is that value is not repeated more than 3 times, and V, L and D are never repeated. The smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then it is added. If a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then it is subtracted. Okay, let us understand these two rules with example. Like here, we have taken LXV. So L is 50 plus 10 plus 5, that is 65. Here, if we have taken XC, then 100 minus 10 equals to 90. E. The symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. And the symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. And the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Thank you.